Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on an old iPad. First, ensure your device runs a compatible iOS version, as the game requires a minimum operating system. Next, verify you have at least 2 GB of available storage space for the game and its updates. A stable and fast internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is also crucial for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. These initial checks are vital for a successful and enjoyable experience on your older device. To enhance your gaming experience, optimizing your iPad's performance is key. Begin by closing all other applications running in the background before launching Brawl Stars. This frees up valuable memory and processing power. Within the game's settings, reduce the graphics quality to its lowest options. Additionally, disable automatic app updates and background app refresh in your iPad's general settings. These steps significantly improve performance on older hardware, minimizing lag and stuttering. Even with optimization, you might encounter some issues. If Brawl Stars frequently crashes, a simple restart of your iPad can often resolve the problem. For persistent performance issues, consider completely reinstalling the game. This can clear corrupted files. If available, clearing the game's cache through your iPad settings might also help. These troubleshooting steps are designed to address common glitches and improve stability, helping you get back to the action quickly. It is important to manage your expectations when playing on an older iPad. While these tips help, some lag or reduced frame rates might still occur due to hardware limitations. For the best possible gaming experience, consider upgrading to a newer device. Alternatively, explore cloud gaming services that stream games to your iPad, offloading the processing power to remote servers. This allows you to enjoy modern titles without taxing your older hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.